Wait, where are you going?
Just a quick trip to France for the... What are we doing? Racing motorbikes again? But electric ones this time for the FIM E-Xplorer World Championships. Something different. So yeah, leaving you at home. See ya!
See ya.
Well, we've made it to France. Now I'm jetting a couple hours to the race, and hopefully I'll get to ride some electric bikes shortly.
Just for an idea, we put if it possibly.
Alright, so tell me, what's my rules?
Yeah, and the rules on the races, you need to wear this on your wrist
Okay,
all time.
like a trials bike.
You put it on. When you want to see how full the battery is,
Yep.
you just need to put this one. Takes 2 or 3 seconds. And then you see the lights, it's green, full green, then it's
yeah.
fully charged.
Fully
it's
charged.
not on. When you put this on,
Yep,
wait, put it on,
yep.
wait, and then you can hear the
Yeah,
battery.
start up.
Then it's on. When it's green, you give gas, it's on. So
Be careful.
yeah, be careful. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
full throttle.
Cool.
You have 2 rear brakes. This is not the clutch. This is your handle rear brake. So this is really stiff.
Yeah,
And you have the pedal, so you can choose.
so I can choose rear brake.
The first times it's a little bit weird for you
Weird.
because you always brake with your rear feet.
Yeah, for sure.
I know this, but it's a preference. The first couple laps you do this
Yeah,
automatically.
from the normal motor.
But try with your hands because
Like the mountain bike.
yeah, but like the mountain bike, because you
Yeah.
can always stand on your right position,
Ah,
so
yeah.
you don't have to
Adjust.
adjust.
Yeah,
So
that awkward.
try this a couple of times.
Yeah.
I think the first times it feels weird, but
Yeah.
maybe tomorrow.
Literally just got to France a few hours ago and I'm already in my gear ready and gonna test out the electric bike for the first time ever.
Was there something wrong?
First ride with the team. Pretty fun. Yeah, I did that easy.
On the right.
Well, first ride on the e-bike. Definitely a lot of fun. Different, interesting. Yeah, trying to get used to the bike and the feeling of it. It's a little bit heavier than my normal bike back home, but not much. So, but very similar. Very similar, obviously, the chassis and all of that is from my bike anyway. So yeah, very familiar, but not for me at the same time. So yeah, a bit of fun. Now we're going to join the crew to have some dinner. Yeah, I think our bikes are the ones that aren't there, so. Are you going for a ride, Gree? You following Mummy? They're gone. Just in the rider side for me. Serious racer over here.
Oh, yeah.
Jack Field.
Full factory.
Nice to see you on nearly a blue bike.
Yeah, well, it's close.
There's a bit of blue on there, look.
There is a little bit of blue in the light up here.
Oh,
Blue
oh, you got a blue light. My light's green. You're special. So pretty. Start area.
doing this championship. You've just had a practice. Let us know how did it go?
Yeah, so I literally got off my flight yesterday afternoon from Australia and jumped on the bike, and it was so different. Very familiar to home for me because obviously the chassis and the bars and everything very similar to the bike I ride back home. But obviously a bit nerve-wracking, a bit stiff, and it was definitely interesting. And today I'm a lot more comfortable and starting to have a lot of fun on it now that I'm getting used to the controls and realise that my lever is not a clutch, it's actually a rear brake as well. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
What have you found so far the best thing about the e-bike?
I really like that right now there's bikes riding and we can still talk and have a conversation with everyone, and it's quite peaceful actually. It almost feels like we're on holidays. It's quite beautiful.
And when did you meet Sandra Gomez?
Yesterday, last night as well. I met a lot of the electric moto family last night, so I've got quite a few friends here already doing it, but and a little bit in the rocks. I'm a little bit hesitant because racing the World Enduro, I'm used to with the clutch, so I'm still just getting used to that, not having a clutch feeling at the moment, so that's probably the biggest obstacle for me in the rocks, just to learn that control, but I don't need that, and yeah, it's all in the throttle control now. What I really like is that it has the full suspension, and it's like a normal bike. So for us coming from different disciplines and being able to literally get on a plane, land, it's a lot easier to make that transition. And same with the jumps, like we can be confident if we over jump or land short that we are able to ride out of it. So yeah, I really like that it's actually a full-size bike compared to some of the other ones which are quite small.
And how about the weight?
Yeah, it's not too bad. If I don't drop it, it's all good, so I don't have to pick it up. But yeah, it is a little bit heavier, but I only really notice that a difference in weight if I do fall off and have to pick it up, which we sorted out yesterday, got that out of the way. So yeah, actually riding, you don't really notice it at all.
Yeah.
Bye.
Just a little bit of rain. No one wants to go to the start. What do you reckon, Jack? It's like made for a trials rider.
Right. Bring it on.
Great. You're not getting wet, are you?
No, not at all.
Oh dear. Yeah, we're stuck on the logs in her time.
Elle vous entend, elle va repartir. Allez, on lui donne un peu d'énergie. Let's go, Tara.
Yeah, there's the teammates on the line. Boys are waiting to go. As soon as the other girl finishes.
Sam Winterburn qui attend son tour. C'est parti.
Yeah, Cam has to wait for his teammate.
Gravity MAI, c'est parti. Championne du monde, Sandra Gomez qui passe la main maintenant à Jessica. On va revenir sur Tiara.
It's a race, so we are here. Everyone's here to win at the end of the day, but it's a lot of fun, so it's nice to be in France again.
Oui, c'est sûr, c'est de la pression parce que tout le monde veut gagner, hein. C'est une course, mais c'est sympa d'être en France. What did you think of the track? Qu'est-ce que tu as pensé de la piste?
Yeah, the track is really nice. Obviously a lot more difficult with the rain, but I think it's good for all the riders because we have a lot from MX, Trail, Enduro, a bit close, so yeah, it keeps the racing nice and close.
Ouais, c'est vrai que c'est un circuit.
So it's lunch break now. They spoiled us. They got the hospitality lounge, and we start semi-finals and finals this afternoon.
Le départ, il faut 2 points, 2 victoires pour aller. This is E-Xplorer, bienvenue à tous à Voleur-Montagne pour la 3e étape du championnat. 5 secondes. Go. Le dernier tour de folie. La partie. Regardez la partie enduro. Sur les virages, sur l'accélération, l'adhérence, attention à la réaccélération, la victoire dans ce premier run pour FIM Et on repart avec Chloé Richardson et Jessica Gardiner.
Oui.
Okay, everybody's ready.
Riders ready? 5 seconds warning.
C'est parti pour le deuxième run. Sur le loop, c'était limite tout à l'heure pour Jessica. Un petit peu plus vite, là, voilà, ça passe trop vite cette fois-ci. Vraiment repris les choses en main. L'équipe MAI qui mène ce championnat, cette Coupe du Monde. FIM E-Xplorer. Le départ dans le deuxième tour pour Jorge Zaragoza. C'est maintenant. Elle n'était pas loin, Chloé Richardson. Ça, elle a quelque chose à jouer. Énorme jump sur le rond. C'est le premier pilote à faire ça. Et c'est il est survolé. Il est survolé, ça va le voir. Applaudissez-le parce qu'il a tout donné dans ce deuxième run. C'était juste impressionnant. La victoire finale et la qualification en demi-finale passe pour MIE. MIE is in semi-finals. A crazy race. Congratulations. You gave everything, guy. Il a tout donné. Allez, la prochaine course. EM, Electric Motion and Gravity. Allez, les voici. Sur la droite, Chiara Fontanesi. Sur la partie gauche, sur les rondins, c'est passé à la perfection. On le sait, hein, c'est sa partie la plus critique, le guerrier maintenant. Impeccable. Jorge Zaragoza, il doit partir, il doit s'en aller, il doit s'échapper s'il souhaite s'imposer parce que Chiara derrière est survoltée. Chiara Fontanesi is flying on this track. Look at that, oh, she is fast. It's unbelievable. She's coming back on Jorge. Elle revient sur Jorge Zaragoza. C'est impressionnant la vitesse de Chiara Fontanesi. 6 fois championne du monde de motocross. Allez, Jorge Zaragoza qui va donner le relais le plus rapide dans quelques instants à Jessica Gardiner. Jessica, c'est parti. Et maintenant Camille Chapelier qui va devoir aller chercher Jessica Gardiner. C'est parti pour Gravity. Première manche des demi-finales. Oh, ça va vite hein. Pour Camille Chapelier également. Il veut prouver à tout le monde, à son équipe chez lui en France, pour son étape locale. Il va emmener Gravity en finale. Attention, ça a été compliqué. On doit se rattraper derrière. Le passage sur le camel jump. Et Jessica Gardiner qui a une avance. C'est fait. MIE remporte le premier run. Boy, girls, everybody on the same track for the same event. Jorge Zaragoza, Chiara Fontanezzi. Allez, pour l'instant, c'est Jorge qui va envoyer le relais en premier. Juste derrière, Chiara envoie Camille Chapelière. La place en finale, c'est maintenant. Who is gonna take the ticket? There is a ticket for the final. Camille Chapelière, Jessica Gardiner, MIE en Gravity. Quelle course ici à voler en montagne avec Camille Chapelière qui représente les couleurs de Gravity avec Jessica Gardiner pour MIE. Regardez cette dernière partie qui suit le haut. On arrive et c'est au public de bord. C'est à vous de faire du boulet maintenant. Quelle équipe voulez-vous voir en finale? Camille Chapelière qui reprend le meilleur. Le dernier virage là-bas. Gravity part en finale. Derrière moi, there is a place, a seat on the podium for this race. The third position between Fanatics or MIE. Who will be on the podium, guys? MIE or Fanatics? This is the small final right now. Round 3 of the FIM E-Xplorer, troisième étape du championnat FIM E-Xplorer.
Riders ready? 5 seconds warning.
C'est parti. Avec Rosie Wright pour les Fanatics, avec Jessica Gardiner pour MIE. On retrouvera juste après Jorge Zaragoza et Dylan Woodcock. On est parti pour jouer la 3e place sur le podium. Jessica Gardiner, MIE, l'équipe qui s'est imposée sur chacune des étapes depuis le début de cette saison. Et Jessica qui reprend la première position. Un petit peu plus loin, Rosie Roray pour les Fanatics. Mais souvenez-vous le final de tout à l'heure. Le premier, Dylan Woodcock juste derrière. On va y avoir une belle bataille. La petite finale, elle va être intéressante. Regardez Jorge Zaragoza. Regardez Dylan Woodcock, les deux pilotes spécialistes du motocross et du supercross en face à face maintenant. Zaragoza won all the races this year. He won the first one in Barcelona, the second one in Montana. The best they can finish here will be the third position. Look at that. Dylan Woodcock is coming back. Dylan Woodcock is there. Jorge Zaragoza. Oh, Dylan Woodcock qui va remporter ce duel. La première manche, le premier run remporté par MIE. La victoire à voler en montagne pour la 3e étape du FIM E-Xplorer et pour Gravity. Camille Chapelière, Chiara Fontanezzi, faites du bruit s'il vous plaît.
What are we looking at? Are we working out their problem and their chain keeps coming off?
Oh yeah, don't give away all the secrets.
Okay, well.
That's amazing.
Ils sont en tête du championnat et aujourd'hui ça a été une journée
difficile, mais ils arrivent à accrocher quand même une place sur le podium. Ils sont 3e. Jessica Gardiner et Jorge Stalamosa. Ils représentent l'équipe MAI Racing. Voici leur machine propulsée par IMX. 3e position aujourd'hui. Et puis, pour la 3e place, Abby Cancanala qui est en futur propriétaire du team.
Gabriel, mais non, enlevez-vous, c'est champagne shower là.
Et avant de terminer, Karina, Valentin, venez avec moi, avant de terminer.
Who needs a mechanic when you got Jack? Right. Yeah? Team mechanic right there, Jack Field. Where are you going? Yeah, right. Back to Netherlands. Well, what an awesome event. It was so fun to be able to ride for the EMX team this weekend in France after a quick trip. I'm literally out of Australia for 7 days, so yeah, 2 days of flying and 5 days here in France, and yeah, 2 unreal days racing for the EMX team, the MIE racing team with the EMX bikes. So yeah, the electric bikes are unreal. Obviously they have their advantages and disadvantages like everything. It was so much fun, so cool to be like in absolute silence, but be racing side by side with people. You know, you could actually yell out to them and cheer them on when you're racing your friends, and yeah, so that was really cool, so different. And it wasn't until the finals that then the adrenaline was really rushing, and yeah, it was just really cool to battle with everyone else and have a good time here. And yeah, hopefully we get more opportunities to, you know, ride into the future, I guess we could say. See ya, back in Osu.